Imagine ending your drive with your iPad slipping off the mount again. Frustration at its best. Today, we're diving into the best iPad Pro M5 car holder 2025 picks so you never deal with shaky or messy installs on the road again. Welcome back to our channel. Check the links in the description below to grab your ideal holder and upgrade your ride now. The number 5 product on our list is YOOZ Car Tablet Holder. Long drives just got a serious upgrade with the YOOZ Car Tablet Holder, a true game changer for anyone who uses their iPad Pro M5 on the road. From the moment you mount it, you can feel its solid construction and smart engineering. The adjustable height system glides smoothly, letting you position your tablet exactly where you want without fiddling with screws or clips. Its extra-wide base locks firmly into the cup holder, creating an unbelievably stable setup that barely moves even on rough, uneven roads. The 360° rotation is buttery smooth, perfect for switching between navigation, movies, or productivity. What truly stands out is the comfort. It keeps your device close and visible without cluttering the dash or blocking controls. Compared to vent or windshield mounts, this design feels far more secure and elegant. Whether you're streaming, working, or keeping kids entertained, the YOOZ holder transforms your car into a hands-free entertainment hub that's both safe and stylish. It's the ultimate mix of strength, flexibility, and pure driving convenience. At number 4 is OHLPRO Car Tablet Holder. Imagine turning your iPad Pro M5 into a perfect co-pilot, steady, hands-free, and always in view. That's exactly what the OHLPRO Car Tablet Holder delivers. The first thing you'll notice is its long, flexible arm that feels premium yet rugged, gliding smoothly into the perfect angle for navigation or entertainment. The 360° rotation adds freedom, letting you switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. Its suction cup locks onto the dashboard or windshield with rock-solid stability, staying firm even on rough, twisting roads. Unlike flimsy mounts that wobble under pressure, this one holds its ground, giving real confidence while driving. The silicone-lined grips protect your device from scratches and slipping, making every journey worry-free. Installation is quick, clean, and surprisingly adaptable. You can mount it almost anywhere, even the air vent. Compared to other holders, OHLPRO nails the blend of adjustability, durability, and simplicity. If you're looking for a car mount that truly complements the iPad Pro M5's premium feel, this one delivers strength, elegance, and peace of mind in every mile. The third one on our list is eSamcore Car Tablet Holder. The eSamcore Car Tablet Holder feels like it was built for real drivers who want stability, style, and safety all in one. The first thing you'll notice is the strength of its clamp. Solid, wide, and cushioned with soft rubber pads that hug your iPad Pro M5 securely, even on the bumpiest roads. It's confidence you can feel, knowing your screen stays steady no matter how rough the ride gets. The suction cup system is equally impressive. Firm, reusable, and easy to reset for long-term reliability. What makes this holder stand out among other dashboard mounts is its downward extending arm that keeps your road view clear, avoiding the clutter and distraction most mounts cause. The 360° rotation and 140° arm adjustment give full freedom, whether you're navigating, streaming, or working on the go. It's flexible yet strong, minimal yet thoughtfully engineered. For anyone seeking a mount that combines road-tested strength with ergonomic comfort, the eSamcore delivers that perfect balance of security, visibility, and driving peace of mind. But number 2 is APPS2 Car Tablet Holder. The APPS2 Car Tablet Holder transforms every drive into a smooth, connected experience. Built for versatility, it grips your iPad Pro M5 or smartphone with impressive stability, making it perfect for navigation, streaming, or even long family trips. The first thing that catches your attention is its sturdy 13-inch aluminum arm, thick, flexible, and completely adjustable, bringing your screen right where you need it without blocking your view. The 2-stage locking suction cup feels industrial grade, gripping firmly onto the windshield for a vibration-free ride, even on uneven roads. It's thoughtfully designed, too, with a cable slot for easy charging and a 360° swivel that lets you fine-tune every angle effortlessly. Compared to smaller mounts, this one stands out for its blend of reach, strength, and premium finish. It's not for oversized tablets, but for everyday drivers who want a reliable mount for their iPad Pro M5. This holder feels like a smart, secure upgrade. Whether you're guiding, working, or entertaining, it keeps your device steady, visible, and stylishly within reach. Now moving to the last one is Cellet Car Tablet Holder. The Cellet Car Tablet Holder is that rare blend of strength, stability, and smart design that instantly transforms your car into a hands-free command center. From the first setup, you can feel its solid construction. The adjustable cup base locks in tightly, anchoring your iPad Pro M5 like it belongs there. The 10-inch reinforced arm stands tall yet stable, holding firm even through sharp turns or bumpy back roads. The 360-degree rotation is smooth and intuitive, giving you total control over your viewing angle, whether you're streaming, navigating, or keeping passengers entertained. Unlike cheap, shaky mounts, the Cellet feels premium. Its soft grips protect your device while the weather-resistant body endures heat, cold, and everyday driving stress. What truly sets it apart is convenience. No sticky gels or dashboard clutter, just a simple fit-and-go setup that feels clean and secure. Compared to other car holders, it balances toughness with elegance beautifully. If you want a mount that feels professional, durable, and designed for real travel comfort, this one delivers peace of mind mile after mile. So guys, this was the video about the best iPad Pro M5 car holder 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.